Okay, so right now we are discussing some functions and their graph. Okay, so right now we are required to draw the graph of y is equal to x. Alright, given function is f of x is equal to x, right or not? So what we are going to do, we are going to denote this f of x as y. Okay, alright, so y is equal to x. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you put the value of x as 1, y will become 1, right? If you put x is equal to 2, y will become 2. If you put x is equal to 3, y will become 3. If you
Yes,
put x
sir.
is equal to 6, then y will become what? Sanvi? Yes or no? So at x is equal to 1, y is 1, right? So first point is here. At x is equal to 2, y is 2. Second point is here. At x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, right? And so on. Yes or no? If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. Yes or no? So this is the graph of y is equal to x, or you can say f of x is equal to x. It's a linear graph. Okay, the graph is a straight line, as you can see in this figure. Okay, it passes through the origin. Yes or no? So this is the graph
Yes.
of y is equal to x. All right, where x is belongs to r. That means x can take the value, any value, right? Plus 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1.5, 3, 3 by 2. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Here please remember that here the domain and range of this function is r. Okay, any real number. And range of the function f is any real number. Understood, Lipika? Easy.
Sir, actually, I have taken the screen black हो रखा है, so load हो रही.
Gauri, what about you?
Sir, understood.
Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move on to second graph, that is constant function. Okay, right now our topic is some functions and their graphs. Okay, so right now we are discussing functions and their graphs. Okay, we just discussed the graph of a function which is f of x is equal to x. Okay, and that turned out to be a linear graph, right? A straight line which is passing through the origin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let's discuss a constant function. The graph of a constant function. So first of all, what do you mean by constant? Constant means it's not a variable, right? It is not varying. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Basically, it's not varying. You cannot change it. Yes or no? So here the function is a constant. C. Constant means anything. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, any number. Yes or no? If f of x is equal to 1, that means it is 1, right? You cannot write 1 as 2, 1 as 3, 1 as 4. Yes? Yes or no? 1 is 1, right? It's a constant, it's not changing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So its graph will be what? For example, if f of x is let's say 2, first of all, what do? We write function f of x as a y, right? Yes or no? This is x-axis. So if y is equal to 2, that means this is 1, this is 2. And it is constant, right? There is no x value, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is constant. Whether you can change, if you put x is equal to 2, it will still be constant. If you put x is equal to 3, it will be constant. Are you getting my point? F of 1 is constant, f of 2 is constant, f of 3 is constant. It's a constant value, okay? It's not changing. Even if you change the value of x, function is not changing. Are you getting my point? Even if you put x is equal to 999, it will come out to be c, constant. So that's why it is stuck at this number 2, as you can see, because we defined that c is equal to 2, for example, okay? So that is how a constant function looks like, okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Even if you
Yes.
put x is equal to 1, if you put x is equal to 1, f of 1 is c. Here in this case it is 2, right? So it is 2, yes. If you put x is equal to 2, it will be still 2, right? As you can see, if you put x is equal to 3, it is still 2, right? Yes or no? Basically y is not changing, yes or no? That's why it is called a constant graph. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi,
Yes, sir.
Lipika,
Yes, sir.
good?
Yes,
So
sir.
here remember domain of this function f is any real number, okay? And its range is c, okay? Here in this case it will be 2, okay? Because we defined that c is equal to 2, okay? That's why. So the general graph for a constant function is this one, okay? This value is c, okay? This is our x coordinate, this is o. Understood? So here the domain of this function is any real number and its range is a constant c. Alright? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let's move on. Now what if they have given us a polynomial function? So what to do in this case? You know, right, what is a polynomial? If the function looks like this way, a0 plus a0x plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube dot an x raised to n. Yes or no? Where a1, a0, a2 are constant. So it's a polynomial. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For example, this function f of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2. It's a polynomial, right? G of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus under root 2x. It's a polynomial. W of x is equal to x square minus 2 minus 1 minus x, it's a polynomial, right? Polynomial means x having more than one powers, right? There are terms of x which are having more than one power, right? In simple word, this is the definition. Understood? Hello? Hello? Gori?
सर आपकी वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है.
Okay, just a minute. So let's take one polynomial and let's draw its graph, okay? For example, let's say we have this function f of x is equal to x square, okay? Alright? So let's draw the graph, okay? Where x belongs to R. Right? So here x can take any values, right? Yes or no? Domain of this function would be what? You can place any value, right? Plus 1, minus 1. Basically here domain would be minus infinite to plus infinite. Yes or no? Because you can put x, any value as a x, right? So what was the first step? Just write down function f of x as y. So it will become y is equal to x square. Yes or no?
Yes.
So first of all, let's make a table, okay? So this is a very easy method to draw the graph of a function, okay? Now first of all, plug the values of x, okay? Let's start with minus 1. Sorry. Here let's write y and x, okay? So if you put x is equal to minus 1 here, y will become plus 1, yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If you put x is equal to minus 2, y will become plus 4. If you put x is equal to plus 1, y will become plus 1. If you put x is equal to plus 2, y will become plus 4. If you put x is equal to minus 3, y will become 9. Yes or no? You can plug more datas, okay? For example, if you put x is equal to 4, then y will become 16. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So let's draw y-axis and x-axis. This is the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, right? The values of y will be plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? So find the pairs, okay? So here this is the pair, yes or no? 1 and minus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So for x is equal to minus 1, for this value, x is equal to minus 1, we are getting y as 1, right? Yes or no? So the point would be here, yes or no? For x is equal to minus 2, y would be plus 4, yes or no? So second point would be here. Are you getting my point? So you can join these points, right? Yes or no? Similarly, for x is equal to 1, we are getting y is equal to 1. So first point is here. For x is equal to 2, we are getting y is equal to 4. So second point would be here. For x is equal to minus 3, we are getting 9. So it will be somewhere here, right? But we don't need to go that much high, okay? So you can connect these dots. So that's it. This is the graph of y is equal to x square. Understood?
Yes.
आया समझ में? लिपिका, गौरी एंड सानवी.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
इजी है?
Yes, sir.
कोई इश्यू?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे डोमेन क्या होगा? That x belongs to R. You can put any values of x, right? And range क्या होगी? We know that function f is x square such that x belongs to R. Okay? So it's a, do you know guys what this shape is? What do we call this graph? There is one name, particular name.
The parabola.
It's a parabola, right? Y is equal to x square. It's a parabola.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move on. ये चलो f of x is equal to x cube, ये आपको करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? कर लोगे क्या? कैन यू डू दिस? कैन यू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ x cube? Yes or no? As a homework I'm giving this question. Okay,
Right, sir.